Hello world, this is Sunil Babbar, an international film director based in Mumbai, India, the Bollywood which you know. Currently I am associated with 2 international films as director and actor as well. First of them is Red Zone. The film is being made in English and Hindi and 2 or 3 other international languages, and the film is based on the earthquake of Nepal in the year 2015, where more than 8,500 people they were killed. Interesting aspect of this film is that I am going to collaborate Buddhism along with natural devastation in this film, Red Zone. The film is supported by one of the major studios in the United States, and I am going to have some actors from United States and even from Bollywood. The other film is named as Suryodaya in Hindi and Dawn in English. The film is based on the Aboriginals of India in Jharkhand. Interestingly, this film is written by one of the very famous lyricists of India. His name is Geetkar Abhilash, who had written that famous song, very old but very famous song, Itni Shakti Hame Dena Data Man Ka Vishwas Kamzor Hona, from that film Ankush. He has done a lot of research in the jungles, in the forests for this film, and he's written it and he is producing this film. And I'm going to play the lead character of Veer Singh, an Aboriginal in this film, and I'm also going to direct this film in English and Hindi both. I think I will be able to release these 2 films worldwide in more than 68 countries through my networking in theaters and digital platforms. I believe that cinema is changing now. It has become big now, very wide, but the form has become more like digital now. Cinema on phone, that is my mantra. I'm very happy to be associated with the International Indian Icon, 3i. Their site is 3i.us, and Sharon Walia. They have a very interesting venture. I believe they have the first online on-site platform which is maintained for exploring the best of the talents amongst you. And I am being a part of the international jury meant for that 3i.us, and I have been assigned to view some of the videos which will be submitted by you. I will be evaluating it, I will be giving my suggestions, and I will be giving my comments on that, online video comments. I think when you will submit it within 7 to 10 days, I will be able to submit back my video comments for your video. This is an interesting concept, and maybe I will be able to view some of the best talents being presented by you in the form of acting, direction, even narratives, even the storytelling, even the models, the singers, the dancers, everybody. So it's an interesting thing for me, and I'm excited for that. For that, you have to get yourself registered free of charge on their site 3i.us and create your video, submit it to me. I'll submit back my suggestions to you. On the basis of those suggestions, if you like, you may create other videos, and after that you may send back those videos or submit those videos for the competitive section on this 3i.us. The videos which are going to be exchanged between you and me, they will be the non-competitive actually. Interesting, this is very interesting, and let's see how the things move from here, and let me see if I am able to get some of you for my cinema as well. Let's see. It's a big word. Just visit their website 3i.us and catch me up. All the best. Take care.